Let me tell you about my boat.
Stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch you reflect in your eyes. Slow dance on the New York City high-rise. You and me on top of the world. And I'm feeling like it was only ever you. And I'm feeling like you was something I won't lose. You were a part of me. I swear you'll always be. I swear you'll always be a part of me.
If photography alone is the reason for your journey, your photographs will always be empty. Travel with a purpose, for a reason, to create something of value, something that is important for both yourself and your subject. Packing for this trip was really important to us. We thought a lot about it. One of the things that we wanted to bring was a power bar, and we made sure to bring a power bar that would fit absolutely everything. We attached this carpet to it as well so that it would match the floor here at the Air Canada Lounge.
Ready?
This is the first shot of the Nikon show. Frame number 1. Brand new Nikon Z6. So we've arrived at our hotel here in Santorini, and there's a wedding happening out front immediately, which is funny because we're wedding photographers primarily. And I think I'm gonna have you guys like right here. And this is just gonna be the first shot and probably also the nicest shot that I've ever taken in my life. And I'm gonna make you guys just slowly walk up the stairs, and you can be looking at each other, and yeah. And if you wanna hold hands and just walk towards me over here and just smile at each other and pretend it's the greatest walk ever. Cool, that looks so good. All right, that's good there. Right there's good, yeah. And you guys can look at each other. And this looks really, really great. This is by far the cheesiest photo you can take, and if you just want to be like really romantic with each other, you don't have to be smiley or anything, you can just be serious. A lot of people think the golden hour is the best time to take photos. I personally prefer blue hour, which is right now. The blue of the water, or the blue of kind of the doors and everything, the pools, really kind of ties it together at this time of day. So I don't understand why all the photographers packed up and left as soon as the sun hit the horizon, because for the next half hour, 45 minutes, there are some good opportunities out here. It's perfect. One of the challenges with travel photography is not only are you competing against yourself to get a great image, but you're also competing against every single person that's ever been to this place in every single other perfect condition that you could ever dream. It's currently 12 noon here in Santorini, and Santorini is one of the places that I actually don't mind shooting at 12 noon. I'm not going to be out shooting the dramatic landscapes, but I'm going to be focusing a little bit more on details. Since everything's really white and reflective, it's actually kind of a good natural contrast to have the white walls with the blue ocean and the blue sky. So we're going to go for a little bit of a walk and shoot some details, and that's all. Here we are in the lineup for one of the most Instagrammable spots in the world. And we're gonna wait in line and get our photo just like everybody else.
You know, everybody wants that shot that they saw on Instagram. Everybody wants to get that double tap on their photo.
You have to go with the pace here. So in here, you go fast and quickly and just move around. And sometimes I'm not touchy person, but I have to adjust my couple very fast. So it's like, see, there are like 20 people. So it changes a lot. Yeah. So 10 years ago, it was totally different. It was like empty, like quieter in the winter time. Now winter is getting busier.
Now that I'm using my newest Nikon camera, I thought it'd be interesting to use my oldest and first Nikon camera.
We have a very special segment for you right now. It is brought to you by the Nikon D50. This came out in 2005. There are 5 autofocus points, so if you look through, you get your choice of left, right, center, up, or down, and that's it. The tiniest little LCD, and featuring this 32 megabyte SD card. This was the first Nikon digital SLR that I ever got, and I had a 50mm 1.8. Today we actually have the 28mm f2.8, which is one of my actual favorite lenses still. It's a full frame lens, but it's kind of from the same era, so I figured we'd go for a little bit of a walk. From the 32 megabyte card, we actually get 3 raw files, so we only have 3 frames to get one shot that's worth showing to you guys. So let's go for a walk around the property and see if this still stands up to today's standards. This is a 6.1 megapixel Nikon D50.